today's video, we're going to make our own skin toner and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Everybody needs a good toner. This recipe naturally aids in tightening pores, disinfects, and soothes the skin. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective cleaner, natural disinfectant, and natural deodorizer. 1 ounce of witch hazel. Witch hazel absorbs excess oil, tightens pores, and is moisturizing. It also supports against inflammation. 2 ounces of water. 4-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Combine 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar, 1 ounce of witch hazel, and 2 ounces of water together in a bowl and stir. Next, add mixture to a 4-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Wash your face, then apply toner with cotton pad. Use in the morning and evening. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store toner in fridge and use within 1 month. Keep away from eyes. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.